Okay, now we introduce how to save the MS1 three profile into your PC and load the new profile. Okay, let's go ahead. Now we connect to the gimbal first. Okay. Okay, after connect, you can see we can see the information here. Okay, we can see the profile first, profile 1. Let's save the profile first before we load any new profile or we do any like revisement for the gimbal system. Okay, let me save this one. Save, click. Okay, let's go ahead. We go into like we create a new folder. Okay, we call it the old profile factory. Okay, let's click. Okay, now we have the old profile factory folder. So we can see here profile 1.profile. We save it. Okay, okay, now the profile first was saved. The second one, profile 2, you can see we click the save again. Okay, saving to the old profile factory folder. Okay, you can see the profile 2 here. We're saving it. Now we save the profile 3. Okay, saving to. You can see we click here, save. Okay, we save the profile into the old profile factory folder here. You can see profile 1, profile 2, now profile 3, save. Okay. Now all the profile factory set for the gimbal we already saving to our computer. For future, we load a new profile or we revise the old profile. Gimbal maybe didn't work very well, we can load back again. That's very safety. Okay, now let's go back to profile first. Okay, we go to profile 1 again. Let's load profile 1. Okay. Okay, here we have a 3 profile. Then 2016 February 11 we got a factory new profile. So we're loading to, you can see here, profile 1.profile. Click here and open. Okay. Okay, now all the profile go into our gimbal. After loading to, we write it first. Okay. On the gimbal, now we power off the gimbal. Okay, don't need to power on. Okay, profile 1 we load and write. Now we go to profile 2. Okay, and load. Factory profile 2 here. That's the newest profile. Second, profile 2. Oh, sorry. Okay, now the profile 2 profile go into the gimbal system. Let's write into again. Okay, click, finished. Now we change to profile 3. Okay, let's load the newest factory profile. Okay, that's the profile 3. Okay, then click open. Okay, now the data go into the profile 3, the new one. Okay, that's red right into. Okay, now all the new profile we load into the gimbal already. But after load the profile didn't means your gimbal work very well. You need to adjust. Okay, let's go to the profile first. Okay, profile first, profile 1. This profile is very important. That's the first profile gimbal when you power on the gimbal. Okay, now we go to, now the gimbal is power off. We can do the calibrate ACC first. Okay, let's click. Okay, now it's done. Let us write into, maybe we need to wait like almost 30 seconds. Write into. Okay, now we do the calibrate gyro. The gimbal right now still power off. Let's click. Okay, we are waiting. Okay, you can see the signal on the right side. Now it's okay. After 30 seconds, we write into. Okay, we're writing into the gimbal. That's very important for you load the newest profile into your gimbal system. Now we can do auto, this function, because after you load the new profile into the model configuration, the invert partial, this part may be not correct because every gimbal model is different. So we need to do the auto test. Okay, when we do the auto test, we need to power on the gimbal. Right now, let us power on the gimbal. Okay, the gimbal now is on. Gimbal is crazy, right? Okay, that's fine. Let's go auto. Okay. You can see the gimbal now is crazy. That's okay. That's gimbal okay. Now it's good. You can see the gimbal go back to the normal status because every profile for different gimbal, sometimes you need to redo the auto test. Now the auto test give us the information invert. You can see the change to here. Rolling, they have a click. Pitch, this I had a tick. Okay, this two partial, that's different from the first partial. Now we can see the number of the poles of the model is 21, 22, 22. But actually this one we need to change to 22, okay? After we change, now it's all okay. We need to write into, okay. The information go into the gimbal. After this, we need to go to the profile 2 because the profile 1, profile 2, and profile 3, the invert partial, this part need to be the same. Okay, we can see the tick is in row model invert, the pitch model invert. So we need to change in profile 2. Okay, let's go into profile 2. Okay, you can see profile 2, it's different from profile 1. The tick on YA model, so we need to unclick this one and tick this one, okay? So rolling and pitch model invert, the same like profile 1. Because every gimbal, profile 1, 2, 3, the model configuration, this partial need to be the same. So now we write. Okay, right into the gimbal. You can see now gimbal work. Okay, let's go to profile 3. You can see still inverting yaw model. So we unclick this one and tick this. Okay, the same like profile 1. Then we write. Okay, all the information right into the gimbal. Now we go back to profile 1 again. We must go back to profile first. You know why? Because the alexmos software for the Beholder MS1, the gimbal when start the power, the gimbal start the gimbal from the last profile you write into your gimbal. If you're in profile 3, you click right, then disconnect the gimbal starting on profile 3. So right now we need to go back to profile 1. Profile 1, that's very important. We go back and check everything's okay. Then we click right here. Okay, now the information right into the gimbal. It's profile 1. Okay, everything now looks perfect. After doing the model auto, we can power off the gimbal again. Power off. Okay, why we need to power off? We need to do the calibrate ACC and calibrate gyro again in power off status of the MS1. Okay, before we do the calibrate ACC and the calibrate gyro, we need to adjust the gimbal. Make sure the gimbal is balanced. Okay, now looks gimbal balanced. The gimbal balanced very well, okay? Now we click ACC, calibrate ACC again in power off, no power on, must be power off. Okay, we calibrate ACC, click. Wait for like 30 seconds. Okay, you can see the signal here. It's done. You can see here. Okay. Click right. Okay. After right into, we click calibrate gyro, this button again. Click. Wait for like 30 seconds. Okay, now 30 seconds almost, okay? Now we click right. Okay, because this gimbal, we turn off the BB sound, you know. So other gimbal, now all the new gimbal, you can hear the sound like every time after you calibrate the gyro or calibrate the ACC, you know. But some gimbal set the sound off, so that's no big difference, you know. Okay, after we do calibrate gyro, calibrate ACC, we write again. We must write last steps in profile 1, okay? Write again. Okay, now all the information right into the gimbal system. It's very important things to make us clear. We need to be clear for the several points. Like in the profile 1, like service section, you know. You can see now the new gimbal system. Service section with factory side all set to the the reset button. 1 click is no action. 2 click is inverse yaw model. 3 click set to use the profile 2. 4 click profile 1. 5 click profile 3. Okay, that's follow mode. Okay, this area, you know. This area, that's a speed, okay? This speed, you know, that's for the model running speed. If you like rolling, using your rolling or pitch or yaw model, turning speed so quick or so slow, you can adjust this section. After adjusting, you need to write into, okay? Like firmware update section, normally we don't suggest customer to do any upgrading, you know, because after the firmware upgrade, you know, something may be changed. Not so good for the gimbal. Okay, foreign service, RC setting. Okay, that's the RC setting. This section, the factory, that's a joystick. Normally use like a starting joystick, use higher. This section is use profile 1. That's we start gimbal. Click long time, and that's calibrate gyro. Straight click the joystick. Like click 2 times, go into profile 3. You know, that's the manual headset, and for the newest MS1. You know. Okay, we don't need to touch anything here. Okay, just introduce for customer. Right now, after we did everything, that's very important. Last step, we need to rewrite into in profile 1. Okay, oh no, cancel. We need to write into here again, okay? That's a very important status, write into again. Now, everything's done. We can disconnect the gimbal with the computer. Okay, all the connection disappeared. Now, we can take out the USB port and test the gimbal. Right now we can test the gimbal. Okay, that should be great for everything.